Everyone, welcome back to another video, that is Zilliqa Live Cryptocurrencies price prediction you are watching now. So please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos. That is the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. The high change as you are watching now, at this time the change is positive 1.6% and the high change is 0.1659 is the high change of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies 23 March 2021, and that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. You are watching live price predication of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Again, I am showing you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies on the graph. As you can see now, they are going straight falls up. As you can see, at this time they are start upcoming. You can this and this time they again falls down. At this time they again going up and again, but unfortunately at this time they again falls down at this period. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of updates, news videos.